Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. We have finished acids, preparation of acid, properties of acid, preparation of base, properties of base, pH value and pH scale also indicators. Today we are going to discuss about the salts, okay? Because the name of this chapter is acid, base and salt, so we have to discuss about the salt, okay dear student? Now, what is salt? First of all, we should know what is salt and what is the definition of salt, okay? Uh, the substance having cations and anions instead of H plus ion and OH minus ion is called salt. Very simple definitions. And another definition is a salt is a compound which is formed by the neutralization of an acid or base. And we have seen in the chemical property of acid and chemical property of base that when acids and base react to each other to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. So the definition is changed here and written a salt is a compound which is formed by the neutralization of an acid and base, okay, or vice versa. Okay dear student, so the definition is a salt is a compound, a salt is a compound which is formed okay by the neutralization of an acid by base, neutralization of an acid by base or vice versa. Okay dear student, vice versa. Okay, that means neutralization of any acid by base or base by acid we can write. So here written is vice versa. Okay, another definition is the substance having cations and anions instead of H plus ion and or OH minus ions. Okay dear student, the substance having cations and anions instead of H positive ion or negative ion is called salt. Okay dear student, according to this definition, when acid react with base to form salt, okay, or you can say when acid is neutralized by base or when base is neutralized by acid to form salt and water. Okay dear student, so here see here, when HCl suppose acid and NaOH is a base, you know, when react to each other to form NaCl and H2O. When it dissolve in water, when this dissolve in water, it give Na positive plus Cl negative. This is cation and this is anion. Okay dear student, so according to this is substance having cations and anions. This is a substance having cations and anions instead of H positive ions and OH negative ion is called salt. That means it is a salt. Okay dear student, So another different kinds of compound we have which contain cations and anions instead of H positive ion and OH negative ion. Okay, dear student. So another example is we are going to discuss the another example and another definition of salt. So here, suppose when NaOH treated with H2SO4 sulfuric acid, base and acid, it formed NaHSO4 plus H2O. Okay, sodium bisulfate or sodium hydrogen sulfate. Here, the H2O is partially neutralized. Here HCl is partially neutralized by NaOH because here the removal of hydrogen is partially, that means here partial replacement of hydrogen takes place from H2SO4 to form sodium hydrogen sulfate. Here two types of ion, sodium ion and HSO4 negative ion. So once again you can see here this is a anion and this is a cation. The positive part is known as cation while negative part is known as anion. Okay, dear student. So this is partial replacement. Partial, we can see here partial replacement. Okay, partial replacement. Another example, when NaOH taken in excess amount to react with H2SO4 to form Na2SO4 and the sodium sulfate is H2O. To balance this reaction, multiply it with 2. That means when excess of NaOH react with H2SO4 to form sodium sulfate and twice H2O molecules. Okay, dear student. So here is complete replacement. Here is complete replacement of hydrogen from H2 to completely neutralization reaction. So it is, we can write here complete replacement. Okay, complete replacement. Then another example come out. A salt is a compound formed by partial or complete replacement of the ionizable atoms of an acid. Okay, dear students, by a metallic or an ammonium ions. The another, according to this equation, another definition arises. A salt is a compound. Let's erase it. According to these equations, the another definition arises. A salt is a compound. A salt is a compound formed by the partial or complete partial or complete replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms from an acid by a metal or ammonium ion. Okay, dear student, this is the another definition. According to these reaction, here you can see the partial replacement take place, while here complete replacement take place. Partial replacement takes place, but it gives two types of cations. Here sodium ion and HSO4 negative ion cations and anion. Here twice Na positive and SO4 minus 2 negative. Also here anion and cation. Okay, dear student. So in every case, the substance which give cations and anions in aqueous medium instead of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, we can say salt. Okay, dear student. So according to this equation, another definition of salt is a salt is complete. A salt is compound formed by the partial or complete replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atom from an acid by a metal or ammonium ion. Here written ionizable. Ionizable means, when let us see the reaction. Here is partial replacement takes place. Now, if once again sodium hydroxide treated with NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate, we know in sodium bisulfate one replaceable hydrogen atom is present. So in this reaction, after happening this reaction, in this reaction, second molecule of sodium hydroxide will react with sodium bisulfate and replace hydrogen atom and form Na2SO4 plus HHOH2O another molecule. Okay, dear student. Now you can balance this reaction by this. The common term in both sides, sodium bisulfate, cancel it. Okay, dear student, and add it twice NaOH plus H2SO4, one molecule of sulfuric acid, and here sodium, one molecule of sodium sulfate and two molecule of H2O. Okay, this is the complete reaction. Okay, clear, dear student? So very important reaction you can see here, and next video we will discuss about the classification of salts. Okay, very important topic. Okay, thank you, all the best.